what it is, you know what I'm talking about. So hey, I keep it 100 say show love, you dig, ain't with that punk shit, you know what I'm talking about. Cause y'all already know I love my comments. Cause all I gotta do is what? Delete. I ain't gonna get on this bitch and whine about none of y'all punk ass comments. Man, I hit the delete. So, you know, you got YouTube Studio, you ain't gotta worry about all that. Delete your ass. I ain't finna be on this bitch talking about no damn comments. Man, y'all kiss my ass, man. I don't give a damn. I delete your ass. Boop. You thought you had a friend. Sometimes I wait till they get a friend. Y'all wait till they get a friend to say thumbs up and boop, delete your ass too. Y'all better shit on the haters, man. They be thinking they be bandwagon. Then they channel ain't got shit on it, y'all. I be loving that shit. You still, and sometimes I say, I ain't gonna lie. Sometimes they be doing so bad. I even just gonna subscribe to their ass. Man, here you go, man. God, dog, you doing that bad. You gotta try to be a clout chaser. So I'm gonna subscribe anyway. Sometimes I did that many times. But now, they say it now. They just be on there just for the fuck of it. I be laughing too. I'm like, we got us one. Had their ass saying, I'm sorry, I'm sorry. They on that bitch and he talking about, I'm sorry. Okay, bro, I'm sorry, big bro, I'm sorry. Yeah, you don't know who channel you on, boy. I will roast your ass, boy. This is not the one. I'm not the one. I don't care if I'm 50 years old. I will roast the fuck out your ass and keep it rolling. So don't say y'all, age ain't nothing but a number. Y'all ain't heard that song? Age ain't nothing but a number. I would get on your ass when I'm 50 years old. Don't fuck with me. Don't fuck what that song say. Don't. What's I think that was a similar. Don't fuck with me. Don't fuck with me. I'm not the one to be playing with, man. For real. Don't fuck with me. For real. For real. Cause I ain't gonna stop. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. I'm not gonna stop. I would gas up 24/7. That's just me. I will find shit to fuck with you about. For real. So I'm just gonna keep going on it. I don't care if I'm 50 years old. If I feel like fuck with you, I will fuck with you. Cause I don't give a fuck. What? Bring it. I don't care. Grown man shit. Grown men gonna do what the fuck they want. Okay? That's what people don't understand. When they try to act a age ain't got shit to do with it. Grown men gonna still do what the fuck he want. So if I feel like fucking with somebody, I'm gonna fuck with you. Period. So don't get on my chair like you running. I'm gonna laugh at your ass. For real. 41. So if y'all say that's me, yeah, I hit big 41. Yeah, I wish I had a 41 caliber. I will buy that bitch because I hit 41. So yeah, it likes that. It like that, no cap. I keep it 100. So you pop out, pop out. I don't care. I'm not trying to get no YouTube chick. I want this bitch being a damn fool. Be me. Hey, I will roast your ass. Don't play with me. That's why I tell y'all, man. Be yourself, man. So whenever you do pop out, it gonna be the same shit. Well, I don't give a fuck. So that's why we try to tell people, man. I ain't trying to look for no YouTube chick. I just be me. So, oh well. Check y'all everybody on the next live and the next live and the next live. Cause hey, I'm live. Ah, I'm back. Yeah. I'm gonna get this shot up to about 20K too. You did. We like, wait, what's wrong? We popping. We popping. Let's get it. I ain't playing no games, y'all. I'm gonna get this channel popping too. Pop, pop, pop. Like, damn. I'm back. So I get this one up to 20K, my other one at 20K. That means I'm be at 40K. Yeah, let's get it. Pop out. And I'm still not looking for no punk ass YouTube chick. Yeah, we gonna crack this shit up. No, 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 no. I'm gonna drop my shit still uncut raw. Here you go. Oh, I like that sound. Oh, I'm gonna put that with my gun. drop it.